Kevin, one thing I've noticed with EUC strategies is organizations are looking to kind of expand things like hosted desktops, right? VDI and DAS, for example. Traditionally, I'm assuming the partners you talk to would have sold everything from help desk, endpoint devices, kind of implementation. Is that still their business, or are you seeing them evolve in other places?
We're really seeing partners placing their bets in a lot of different areas. Software, services, and everything that's moving to the cloud. The things that are important to them are becoming more services led, evolving to provide managed services, and increasingly, their customers are asking them to take responsibility within the data center and now far beyond in the extended network, and to tie in all the devices and security and protections that are necessary for endpoints.
Yeah, one of the examples I've seen, Kevin, is partner taking, I'm going to say, hardware as a service, so kind of a kit that they give to a user that is their contact center kit. So they have a hardware as a service that it is that hardware, the devices, the peripherals, and all the software that goes with it, where now they're able to be in a remote location that's predictable, it's going to work, but they're consuming that at the hardware level. So they're basically consuming that hardware as a pay-per-use type of model. And I think the opportunity is pretty significant out there, where even those on-prem solutions that you and I have seen for years, there's opportunity to help move those at an accelerated pace to the cloud, right?
Yeah, I agree. And the trend that we've seen over the past several years is that if you looked at 5 years ago, a lot of the partners that we talked to were really focused on the high-end opportunities in the data center.
Great point.
And the endpoints were really almost on a separate buying cycle and responsibility. But now increasingly, companies are saying to their partners, hey, we need you to wrap your arms around the entire network, the entire ecosystem, and provide the range of services that's necessary to tie it all together, to protect it, and to give a superior user experience to our internal customers. And the partners that are now pivoting to take advantage of this are really looking less to the relationships that they may have had with their traditional vendors, and more to companies that offer innovative technology and collaborative programs to help them really execute on that entire strategy.
Yeah, it sounds like exactly what businesses are looking for, because what I've noticed is the EUC buying is a team sport. There's multiple people that now a partner is very geared to go into that company and speak with those different team members, whether it be IT leadership, IT security, networking, and be able to go with some of that broader solutions that you mentioned. So makes sense. I appreciate you taking the time to talk about it. It's a great topic that I'm sure will continue to evolve.
Thanks again, Mark.